Spectra. Random division number 47, one box. Let's go. Oh, shit. Thrill. Hope you're okay, my brother. 8, Hardway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That sounds dangerous, Dig. 8. 8, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Dice, 8 random. Let's match you. We got what? Oh, man. Bobo, that's going to be awesome. And you're living right near me, right? Just on the other side of town? That'll be amazing. That'll be amazing, brother. All right, let's do it. Another box of the great Spectra. Bobo, that's going to be sick, bro. Me and you are going to go gamble it up at the Red Rock in Durango. You're going to love it. Those 2 casinos are the nuts. They're amazing. Good luck, everybody. Oh, no. That's so cool. Guys, we might have gotten the big pack early. We might have gotten the big pack early. For the NFC North and Brian Stahl, David Montgomery on the ice to 40. Does that mean we're going to get some nice food comps, Bobo? Sounds good to me. Ooh, to 99 AR-15 infrared. AFC South, Kyle D. Life is good. And life is good. No. Brian Stahl! I love this card, and it's not what you think. It's not what you think. It's so much cooler. Bijan for the Falcons. Oh, I love this card. One of the greatest quarterbacks of all time. Absolutely the greatest arm. Probably before Aaron Rodgers, maybe. Greatest arm in NFL history for the AFC East. And Brian Stahl, the GOAT Miami Dolphin quarterback, Dan, the man, Marino to 2. B money. B money. There are no bad divisions, guys. There are no bad divisions. You just never know. Oh. I want this card so bad. I want this card so bad, Brian. I'm such a big Dan Marino fan. I grew up idolizing this dude. That's awesome. That's awesome. La Portobello Mushroom. /60, the Hutch for AFC South. Yep. But it was out of those three, it was always Marino. He had a much stronger arm than the other two. Laces out, Dan. AKA Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. Devontae for the AFC West. Autograph for the NFC East. This is going to Ronnie. Tanner McKee for the Eagles. /10, 1 of 10. Uh-oh. I know a buyer on the bottom card, and he works for this company. Actually, he's an owner of this company. Chris Godwin. Travis Etienne for the South. AFC East hit again for Brian. Triple pieces of Josh Allen. Scratch Golf is a genius. He got that really fast. Scratch Golf is a genius, and it's numbered to 8, and it's on card. He is a quarterback who has won 2 Super Bowls. Both against the Patriots. Both against Tom Brady. This guy beat Tom Brady twice in Super Bowls. Ronnie B. Ronnie B. Give a call to Esplez. He'll buy this from you. Very different kind of break, and I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. The Zapper. AFC North. Joey B. Yeah, you don't see this many vet. Well, actually, it's 2 vet autos and 1 rookie auto, so it's not so off-centered in terms of the, ratio. Kellen Witt. Whoa. Number /10. Kellen Winslow Sr., the one that didn't go to jail. 4-color patch for the Chargers in the AFC West, Ronnie B67. That's dirty. He was great. Unfortunately, he's become, anonymous for, no, that's not the right word. Whatever it is, for synonymous with his son, who was a Tampa Bay Buck tight end and went to jail. Oh no. Oh no! It is a vet box! And we got 2 autos in the last pack! And they're both 49ers. They're both for Paulie P.S. Kim in the NFC West. This is disgusting. Wait for it! This is the sickest thing I've ever seen in terms of packaging. Guys, tell me the last time you ever saw this. I'm going to tell you who it is without showing you the players. I'm going to tell you who it is without showing you the players. 49ers Super Bowl, when they beat Boomer Esiason and the Cincinnati Bengals in the last second. Who threw the ball and who caught the ball? Who caught the ball? Nope. Try again. It ain't Rice. It ain't Clark. Joe Montana threw the ball. Mike Adams knows exactly who it is. Mike Adams gets it right first. John Taylor. Dun, dun, dun. This is so weird because they're autos right on top of each other. John the Stud. Wide receiver 2. Multi-Super Bowl winner. John Taylor. The most unknown, underrated wide receiver almost in NFL history. This guy was an absolute stud and not many people remember him. But wait, it gets better. Dun, dun, dun! That made me smile. Thank you. Thank you, card gods. I wasn't smiling for most of today. That made me smile. Because this was my childhood. This was my team. Growing as a little boy. Watching Joe Montana hand the ball to Roger Craig, throw the ball to Dwight Clark, John Taylor, Jerry Rice. Oh, man. Watching Ronnie Lott light people up going over the middle. Watching Charles Haley rip people's heads off. Oh, damn. Yep, Brent Jones was the Steve Young tight end. Right, Gudge? I liked Brent Jones. How dope is that? And that one's the Montana's on card. Montana is on card to 25. That is so cool, man. What a break. Oh, I can't wait to do 2-box pick your parallels of this stuff. We're going to do a lot of them. Oh, that break was fantastic. Let's do 2 more breaks and get out of here. I'm going to go get high and fall asleep. On marijuana, it's legal. If anybody's watching and getting nervous or upset. Phenomenal break. Phenomenal break. Look at that patch on Kellen Winslow. Look at these autos. 1 box. 1 box. On card Eli Manning to 8. On card Dan Marino to 2. John Taylor. And on card Joe Montana to 25. That's pretty unbelievable. Best product ever.